thought it might be something related to a loud bass or subwoofer in someone's car, or maybe an idling truck, and I kept looking for that, but never saw anything of the sort. And then in time, I started noticing greater frequency and patterns, particularly in the evenings, where this noise was occurring.
Concha tu madre.
We're in Long Island, January 18th, and it's fucking loud. You hear that? You hear that shit? I have no idea, like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that?
Vibrations and the rumblings have become so intense that it's disrupted our daily lives. The rumblings begin almost immediately in the morning and proceed throughout the evening, getting stronger in intensity.
Strong vibration that had come from the ground. It was a synthetic noise. It's really there.
You personally experienced this?
I personally experienced it. I sat and the person in the house at the time shut off the air conditioner, shut off the furnace, shut off the water main, shut off the electricity, and turned everything off and around the house. And if you put your palm to the hardwood floor, you could feel some sort of synthesizing a little bit of a noise vibration. It's very weak. It grows a little bit, but it's consistent, and it goes back down. It's real, it's there, it's present, and I think that this issue needs to be taken much more seriously.
People have been recording strange noises like this one in Kiev for some time now. Videos filmed all over the world have appeared on YouTube, the first in summer last year. But no one's really sure what they're hearing. Speculation ranges from cloaked UFOs to military testing. to experiments by HAARP, a US research project that studies the ionosphere. Not since the crop circles of the 1980s, though, has the online community been so excited by a series of unexplained events. But often as phenomena like this increase in notoriety, they can become subject to hoaxing. Next to the more outlandish theories, there are some more mundane ideas as to what's causing the noises. Some have suggested nearby trains might be to blame. However, it's not known whether all the noises around the world were filmed near railways.